Hey, testing, 1, 2. Are we live? Let's get my clock. Let's make sure everything's running smoothly. There we go. I think we're good to go. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Is it Friday already? It is Friday, isn't it? All right, let's go. Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Black Coffee is back. Good morning, Black Coffee. Almighty, good morning. Timbo, Jim JB, touchdown. Jake Dell, scalping with Tom, RXHX, good morning. Dean Bishop, Jim O. Good morning, Best Guest Trading, Lawrence Harris. Sam Owen, Trading Ever After, good morning. I am Bruce Lee, good morning. Thor D, good morning, D Versatility. Sharoos, good morning. Trade Ranger, good morning. Cly, Niles, Glacier Gaines, Mick, good morning. Let's do this. Hey, Arrow Squad, Tech 111, good morning. Ragnar, Jack Barnes, good morning. Juan Doler, good morning, everybody. Let's do this. Classic Man, good morning. Spaces. All right, market, we are down below the, we're getting very close to testing that 25,000 level. Feel like it's almost inevitable that we're going to test that 25,000 today. So the shorts are definitely in play. I actually would have had some pretty decent shorting opportunities here from 4 a.m. this morning on. Unfortunately, I was not here for it. I was not up. So we could have had some pretty nice moves here. Maybe the overnight session last night wasn't really anything that great. Kind of sideways. But hey, it looks like we're going to be looking for shorts again today. Well, hi, bud. You like that? Cody. All right, market. We continuing down below the 40s now. I mean, are we just going to take out that 25,000 right now? We might just go test that 25,000 right here. Down we go, 20s, 15s. She's a ripper. Wow. 25,000s. Here we go. There she is. Boom, just like that. 25,000s tested. Now let's see. Are we going to get a bounce? Are we going to get a bounce? Let's see. When are we doing a duck race with Cody? Hey, maybe we need to do that again. Hey, good morning, Dabda. Good morning, Clarity Trader. Carolina, good morning. How we doing? Wow, down we go below the 25,000s, down to the 80s. We're just continuing this sell-off. 70s, 60s. Whew, look out below, folks. Wow, look at her go. Good morning, His Royal Trades. Man, the way this is going, it's going to be hard to get it set up. We're so far away from the EMAs. Man. Continuing down to the 50s. Oh, wow, that's crazy. $45s. Here's the 40s. Man, this market is on something right now. Wow, look at the daily chart. Daily chart is looking crazy. I mean, you're going, I'm expecting to see some kind of bounce here. Some kind of bounce here very soon. Yep, here we go. Let's see. How much will it bounce? That's the question. How big will it be? Man, this thing is just going to keep dropping. Continuing to rip lower. Wow, this is insane. We're going to see another 100-point move right down. 20s, 920s now. Wow, that's crazy. This is a ripper. This is a ripper. It only goes down. Prop Trading Deutsch, good morning. Man, this is... Hey, nicely done, Jim O. Nicely done. All right, are we going to get a bounce from the 30s? Are we going to get a bounce, or is this just... I mean, we got to be getting a bounce here sometime, right? I guess I mean, this is where it sucks. I feel like I'm just missing out, totally missing out. This is the times where this is where I struggle the most. Struggle the most with being patient. I feel like, just feel like I'm missing out. Glacier Gains, trust me, Nutty, you're not missing out. I just blew 2 accounts. Oh, I'm sorry, Glacier Gains. Yeah, see, that's the other thing I need to be reminded of. Thanks for reminding me, Glacier Gains. There's a flip side of missing out. You could also be wrong. And that is definitely very true. I would have probably tried to catch the bottom here at the 25,000s and gotten absolutely wrecked. Let's just assume that to be the fact. All right, let's see. Hey, block the noise. That was me yesterday. Oh, really? Yeah. You don't want to try and catch it all just a little bit, as you said in your video. Little bits add up slowly, then suddenly. Yeah, Grant Thompson trades. Agreed. We don't need to try to catch the whole moves unless you're Lanto. Lanto trades, he catches the whole move. By the way, if you didn't hear, the guy that got that got 600,000 the day before, yesterday he gets 500,000. I mean, the guy's on an absolute, the guy's insane. It's insane. Actually unbelievable. Actually unreal. So from now on, if I go full size and catch over 200 points, it will just immediately be known as a Lanto trade. Okay, I'm just renaming it. If you get a big trade, it's just a Lanto trade from now on. Wow, look at this rip higher. I knew it. I knew we were going to get that rip higher at some point. Here we go. 25,000 is about to be tested again. That's an 80-point move higher from the lows. This is very volatile this morning. You got to be careful. Got to be careful here. Feels like this wants to pump now, but this can dump just as quickly. Man, I need to make a decision here on how I'm going to trade this if we get a setup. I'm definitely going 2 micros only. Days like today are difficult to trade because your stop loss needs to be so high and so wide that the market can, just the volatility alone can stop you out. Makes it very difficult. Right now, this looks like we are trying to go higher. Hey, Christopher. To make this a very fun day, I hope we rip to the 25 400s. Honestly, I could see it. I actually could see this be the low of day, and now we just rip everyone's face off. I could see it. I mean, we've taken out that 25,000 level, the 1 hour chart. You know, we've tested this 24,920 area again. 24,920, 900 area was pretty significant. I don't know. I could see anything happening today, but it is looking like we're going to have some activity. Okay, let's see if we make new lows right here. She's a ripper. Let's see. Are we going to make new lows? Right here, if this traps the shorts, like right here, if we start ripping straight back up right here and trap the shorts, then I think there's a chance this thing starts to rip higher all the way up through So now we gotta let's wait and see. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if we get a new low here. Lanto might be interviewed on 60 Minutes or American Greed. He might be. I mean, he's making headlines. It's insane. What's really cool is that that was done on a live account. Honestly, this should open prop firms. Like, I've been trying to get Brett from trading. I've been trying to get Brett from Tradeify. Like, I've been talking to Brett at Tradeify. I'm like, dude, why don't you guys just do the same as Take Profit Trader? Why not just let us re-enter the live environment and give us the exact same parameters that we had in the sim environment? The only way that they actually benefit is if someone runs up a balance, you know, but they're, I don't know. It's right now they're not doing it right, in my opinion, in the live environment. All right, now we're going straight back up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's questionable. Let's see. Are we going to rip right up through the 25,000s? If we do, look out above. And now we're getting choppy here. Jose Lanto. Yeah, it's Lanto. Lanto has 4 Take Profit Trader accounts that are the Pro Plus accounts, which is the live account. And he made 600,000 on Wednesday and 500,000 yesterday. He made 1.1 million on the live account with Take Profit Trader. Actually insane. Do you know any other YouTube prop trader who is transparent with their expenses? Karobo? I don't keep track. I don't know. Not that I know of, but I stopped caring what other people are going to do. I'm going to do what I'm going to do, and then it is what it is. Is he just 19 years old? I have no idea. I hope the firm wasn't booking him. Yeah, that would not be ideal. I doubt it. I seriously doubt it. Is there a daily profit cap with Tradeify live account? No, there isn't. There is not, but they consolidate all your accounts into one account, which makes it different. And then they apply a daily loss limit to those consolidated accounts that is similar to your funded account, sim funded account. So it just makes it different. Like, it just doesn't make it the same environment. I wish they would make it the same environment in, like, and then allow traders to try again if they lose their live account. Like, it would be unrealistic to think, like, you would never give someone just 2 tries at a sim funded account, would you? So why are we only giving someone 1 try on a live account? That's kind of my argument. But hey, I mean, of course they're going to do what they're going to do, but well, it is what it is. What's his Twitter handle? If you just search for Lanto, you'll find it. Nutty, you're a legend. Romeo, thank you, Romeo. You're too kind. He did it on 1 micro. Just kidding. No, he went 15 minis. 15 minis, man. But he does have quite a balance. So right now, I think he has about 220,000 in each account that he still has. Like, he's keeping about 220,000 per account in as a buffer. That's insane. That is insanity. But kind of smart if he's going to go for those big plays. He's got quite a cushion. I know he withdrew 400,000. So, I mean, it's awesome. I think it's awesome. And honestly, I hope this gets the attention of some other prop firms where they're like, hey, let's duplicate the live environment and make it the same. Let's follow Take Profit Trader in the sense of how they treat live environments. Like, I think it's fine if one, you know, the sim funded environments, everyone's going to have it a little bit different. That's fine. But to me, my personal opinion, on a live environment, it should be daily payouts, no minimum dollar amount, trading days, BS, nothing like that. And give us the exact same rules, drawdown, daily loss limit, everything the same as the sim funded environment. Like, I mean, why not? Allow people to try and make life-changing money in the live environment, because that's the only way that the prop firms actually are making money. Like, Take Profit Trader with their 10% cut, the last 2 days, they made 110,000 they made 110,000 just from their 10% cut. That's worth it. Or I hope it is. All right. I am not looking for an entry here yet. Even though, I mean, I guess, did we touch this 21 EMA? I guess we barely. But I'm waiting. I don't want to, like, I'm waiting until we actually break it. And then part of the parameters today is going to be, I want to have a good setup as far as my stop loss, and we failed to make a new low on this move lower. So this is kind of one of those where I'm not sure I want to even take a short, but the fact we failed to make new lows right here is a little bit concerning for the bears. How much is his starting balance to get 1 mil? I mean, he had to start with, I guess I'm not sure 100%. I'm not sure. Oh, there is consumer sentiment in 5 minutes. Thank you. Thank you. Panda, good morning. How's it going? How much? Yeah, I'm not sure. Like, I don't have that information. There's no daily profit cap on the Take Profit Trader live account? Well, no, definitely not. They want you to make as much money as possible because they get an actual 10% cut. Because it's on their actual live account. That's the key. They have, Take Profit Trader has a $10,000 daily cap on the sim funded environment. All right, news coming out in 4 minutes. I mean, this could technically give a setup here, but because of news coming in, I want to see the news. News is an orange folder news event, so it will probably move the market here. So I'm waiting. I'm going to be patient. It's pretty interesting that I mean, this 920 is holding. Yes, we wait. How's Florida today? Florida's great. Looks like it's going to be a little bit warmer today. Yesterday we had rain, which was much needed, and it was a chill day. It was great. I might go golfing today, guys. I might. Isn't your government shut down over there? Yeah, our government's shut down. We don't care. Everything, I don't know what that means exactly. I don't even know how it affects people, but I'm sure it affects some people. Do I have a nice yard? Not really at the moment. I blew my shot for the Tradify tournament. Oh no, I'm sorry, Kiss Me, I cooked. That sucks. Well, I did as well. So yeah, I blew it too. I should have. I mean, you know what you should have done? I honestly, I feel like it would have been smarter to wait until today to start trading. Because if you wait until today to start trading, you would have a pretty good idea on where you need to be in order to stay, you know, out of that bottom 20%. Wow, look at this. We're just continuing to grind higher now. We are now officially 100 points from the lows. This is one of those days. I feel like we got to be very careful. This could end up being just a face ripper to the upside. I could be wrong on that, but let's see if we make new lows. If we make, depends a little bit on this news coming out. We do have news coming out now in 45 seconds. So be careful, guys. News coming out in 45 seconds. I'm not taking any trades here because of news. We're just waiting. All right, news coming out right now. Let's see how big of a reaction it is. Okay, definitely some reaction. Little bit of a, I don't know, whippy action right now. Be careful. All right, is this going to be what shoots us lower? Well below estimates. Hey, good morning, John. Oh, I just saw your... Oh, yes, there we go. Can you imagine withdrawing 360,000 into your bank account? Jeez. Imagine 360,000 into your bank account. I could build 3 pools. That would definitely be enough for the pool that I want. Oh, man. Life goals. Oh, wow. Look at that dump. I mean, in hindsight, this might be looked at and like, wow, that was a perfect setup for my strategy. But this was news, so I don't trade the news. So we're not taking this. Now we just wait. Oh. Now we wait. Are we going to make new lows? What kind of pool you trying to build that you can only build 3? Well, the quote I got is like 120,000. So, I mean, that's with a screen. So, you know what? I don't know what to do. We got a ways to go. Hey, you know what? If I get one payout, I think we can do it. It's all I need. All I need, chat. If I'm still doing my diet and cleanse, I'm not technically cleansing, but I am trying to watch my diet. I have cheated a couple times, but I've not eaten any nutty bars. No nutty bars yet. So I'm doing pretty good, I would say. Do the pool area right. Contact Insane Pools. Is Insane Pools in Florida? Like Sarasota area? You're having a nutty bar right now. Nicholas. I'm jealous. Hey, Angelo. Hey, awesome. Love to hear it. Good luck, sir. Trying to be patient. That's the hardest part, man. Now we wait. I fully expect nothing less that Lanto already made 500,000 on this drop. I expect nothing less. If I'm still in the Tradeify Cup, win? No, I'm not. I blew my chance. Thanks to gold. I'm an idiot. I kept thinking I could make it in gold. I'm done. Gold is dead to me. Gold is dead to me. You will need to change your name now since you don't eat nutty bars. I know, right? He's probably been short from 25. Yeah, he's probably been short up here, the 25 300s. I expect nothing less. All right, it looks like we are just going to look for new lows. Impressive. Uh-oh, this ace undercover. What did you discover? Oh, that's a TV show? Oh, okay, Michael, I see. Very funny, Dean Bishop. The email makes me feel like Eddie Murphy in The Golden Child. Okay, I guess now what do we do here? I just got to be patient. Now, if we don't make a new low here, then we do kind of have a problem on our hands. Not sure how to play this if this doesn't make new lows. I think we will, though. This looks like we're making new lows. 24, 920s. There she goes. New lows. Boom. There it goes. 900s incoming. All right, now we can wait. We can do our setup. Let's just be patient. It's one of them days where we're gonna have to be patient. Oh. Man, that would have been a nice setup. But again, we had news. We had news right here. That's why this setup really couldn't. I mean, I just couldn't take it. Below the 900s now. Wow. Look at the daily chart. See, this what I see here, this is much more of a like natural pullback to the market than what we had on this news-driven day. This news-driven day here, we had a big rip lower, then we just right back up. This, I feel like, could be We could be in for a little bit more of a correction. I could see us retesting the 24,000s at some point. We shall see. But hey, we don't need to try to predict. We just trade our strategy. Whatever happens, happens. As long as we are below the VWAP, we are going to look for shorts. That was a Trump tweet about tariffs. Exactly, BPCF. I know. That's what I mean. Like those kind of sell-offs with news. This sell-off is not really news related. And I feel like it shows a little bit more showing more of an actual bearish, or at least it's not bearish market, but just a healthy pullback. You guys all laughed at me when I said the market will dump. Hey, anything's possible. More continuation potential. I agree. Let's see if this is going to rip to the upside now, or all right, back up we go. Wow, look at that. Big rip right back up. Man, this market is moving like crazy. What a rip. What a rip higher. Man, if you're trading this, man, be careful. This has got the makings of a crazy day. Man, look at that rip. I mean, that was a rip. The 880s back up through the, I mean, that's 100-point candle almost. I hate trading this kind of volatility, to be honest. Not quite sure that I am ready for this. Wow, and it's not done. We're just continuing here. Wow. And this market is crazy. This market is crazy. Look at it go. Ay, 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 ay. This is insanity. I don't know. I feel like I'm not a big fan of trading this kind of volatility. I really don't like it. I'm not sure I want to trade this. It's just a crazy rip higher right there. Man. Crazy move down, crazy move up. Welcome to NQ. I don't know if I want to trade this or not. Even with 2 micros, this is kind of crazy. Hang on, I have to take this call. All right, we're back. All right, market. I mean, this thing. I need to decide. I need to make a decision now on if I'm going to trade this or not. Just not a huge fan of this kind of volatility. But if you're on the right side of it, it can be very nice. It can be very nice. There's a catch 22. I want to see. I want to look at something here. If I enter a short, my stop needs to be like, man, my stop is just so big. Not a fan of it. Market is it. This is ready to either gonna shoot higher or drop like a rock. The tension is building right here. This is going to whipsaw, I feel like, right any minute. I think we're ripping it higher the way this is looking. Yep, there she goes. There she goes. Crazy. All right, here we go. Back above the 25.040s. Let's see if this is going to be a fake out or just going to break out. This market is cray-cray. I think this thing's ripping. I think we're going higher. This looks like we're just in one of those moves. We might go test the VWAP, the opening range, the opening right here up, all the way up at the 25.110s. I could see us testing that. But we shall see. Just gotta be patient. Just seems like the Bears are I feel like the Bears are getting scared here. I don't know. Man, this is where my setup might hit, and I'm officially decided. I'm not going to take it. I'm not taking the volatility. I just don't like it. Don't like it. Some days I might be wrong, but there are going to be better days to trade if this kind of volatility keeps up. It's the kind of day where if I get filled right here, like technically my entry would be the 24. You know what I'm going to do? Like right here I would literally getting filled at the 24,997s. And the problem with that is I almost have to have a 50-point stop loss. 50-point stop loss. That's crazy. And then that can rip 50 points in 1 minute. So just, I don't like it. Even though maybe this would work, might look back and be like, man, I missed a 100-point trade, but I got to be okay with missing this. Got to be okay with it. We would be in the trade right now if we take this. I guess, you know, one thing I didn't think about, I could have taken one micro trade. I guess I could have. I could have taken one micro, but I'm okay. I'm totally at peace with my decision. Yeah, I do too, Christopher. I kind of agree with you. Like, I feel like the longs here are actually in play. The way this has been reacting. Now we do need to get above this 21 EMA on the 5-minute. We do need to get above this, but right now, I feel like the shorts are getting trapped. Yep, here we go. Let's see if this is going to rip now. The Chop Fest has started. The Chop Fest is here. I feel like we need to make a break above the 50s. If we break above the 50s, we retest this opening up here, the 110s. If we can't get above this, we definitely could see this go retest the lows, but right now this is looking like the bulls want to take over. All right, let's see if we break up through the 50s, up through the 40s. Man, this is it's very choppy right now. I have no regrets about not entering that trade. No regrets. The battle is real right now between the Bulls and Bears. The battle is real. Hey, how we doing, Ralph Grun? Good to see you, Ralph. By the way, guys, we're going to do a long time sub giveaway. Remind me. Don't forget to remind me. I want to do a long time sub giveaway today. Probably going to do 1 year plus. What a choppy market. Oh, see, now this is looking interesting. All right, now we are breaking down. Wow, the Bears aren't done. Man, is this this might chop right back up. Yeah, the Bears are still here. The Bears are still here. This could be a choppy sideways market right now. And look at that, right back up. Yeah, this is going to be crazy. Right back up into the 25,000s again. She don't want to stop. Man, this looks like a day to go golf. This is not great. What copy trader am I using to copy trade? I use the Replicanto. I use Replicanto as my copy trader. And right back up. Now we're going to break to the upside. Look at this. This is sick. Yeah, today's the kind of day that will get you. There's going to be lots of blown accounts, I think. I agree. I'm happy to just not be trading this. Unless you caught that initial move lower right here, this is, I mean, this was a clean move right here, but after that, it's been kind of choppy. Grant Thompson. Yeah. Can I are your Apex PAs Tradevate? Yes, Rupert. They are. All my accounts are Tradevate accounts. Man, we cannot seem to get above this 21 EMA. Just cannot seem to do it. What are we doing, market? We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down. I am super okay with not trading this. All right, market. I mean, the 960s seem to kind of be putting up some, showing some support. Feel like if we break down below the 960s here, we're going to see it flush down through. But it seems to be holding up every time we hit it. Hey, good morning, G Brooks. Long time. Let's go, G Brooks. Good to see you. What are all those lines on your charts? Have I been gone that long? Probably have been. This is the VWAP. This is the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. This is the 21 EMA on the 2-minute. And this is the 1-minute. This is just showing your 15-minute opening range low, mid, and opening range high. That's it. I just got a take profit trader fund at 25K count. It has a limit of 3 minis. I assume I could trade 30 micros, but it doesn't specify. Yes, Kevin G, it is 30 micros. That is correct. How do you put the 21 EMA on the 5-minute? M. Susan, the 21, you basically, it's the 52 EMA. So if you put in 52 as your EMA, that represents and is the same as the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Man, this 60 area is really trying to hold, but if we don't hold here in the 60s, I think we just dump it. Selling everyone 1 minute red candles after move up is a winning trade. Yeah, true. I mean, right now, I don't think trading this range anywhere between the 960s and the 520s is just kind of asking for trouble. Unless you're just scalping, it seems like that's not a great place to be trading in. Hey, there's the drop down below the 60s, down to the 40s, just boom like that. Now, we are about to see if we make new lows here. All right, I want to see this flush down through the 900s. If this just goes right back up into the 25,000s, then I don't know. Come on. Dump it, market. Give it new lows, then maybe we can get a setup here. Yeah, Matthew, if you took a short here off, I mean, there was definitely a setup here. I chose not to take it because of the volatility. But there was definitely one there, and obviously it would have worked. It definitely would have worked. Hindsight being 2020, but we made our choice and we're going to be good with it. I did take the breakout from the ORB5 right to the low. Let's go, Mickey Man. That's awesome. So sometimes how I wish to skip the blowing up part and land on the 200K payout. Yeah. Don't we all? Don't we all? Ugh. Yeah, Melvin Bryan, I agree. It's easy to try to convince yourself this is going higher, but right now we're definitely in a downtrend and it continues to go lower. If we break down through the 900s, look out, look out. I think this thing is setting up for a big dump. Daily chart, 1 hour chart. I mean, we do have some, like the next, we do have some support here, the 24,800s. I don't know. I don't know, man. Oh, wow, look at that. And right back up. Oh, this is, hey, Matty Matt. Come on, take a trade, entertain me. Sometimes I do kind of feel like a heel. I mean, I know you guys don't take it this way, but I feel like a heel sometimes taking one trade a day. But I mean, I take 2 trades a day sometimes, but hey, I got to do what I got to do. We are here. We cannot afford to be entertainers when we are copy trading 44 accounts. If we are copy trading 5 accounts, we could entertain a little bit. We can't do that. We can't afford to do that with 44 accounts. Not happening. Which I don't think you guys would want me to do that anyway. Check the next time frame, 15-minute chart. I mean, everything looks bearish. Everything looks bearish. 15-minute, the 1 hour looks bearish. The daily looks bearish. Everything's going lower. Get the women and kids in an abort mission. Jump in the lifeboats and save yourself. We're going lower. We cannot afford blown accounts just for fun. No, we cannot. All right, let's see. Let's see us dump through the 900s. The only way we get a setup, the way we get a setup today is I mean, I feel like the volatility is already dying down a little bit, but the way we get a setup is a break down below the 880s, a nice lower move, and then we get a retest of the 21 EMA and we get a good entry. That's how we get an entry and how we get a trade today. If we continue to chop back and forth, then yeah, we're not getting any setups. We're probably not going to get any. And down we go. Let's see. Let's see it dump through that 880. Can she do it? If this double bottoms, it's not going to be good. Oh, watch this. Oh, is it really going to do it? I don't want to see this double bottom. I really don't. I don't want to see that. We need a really nice dump down through that 880 level. Oh, now there it goes. Hey, there's the dump. Okay. Okay. Come on, let's just keep going lower and then we can enter. I can already tell today's going to be a day where we need to be very, very patient. Hey, Matty Matt, good to see you. Good to see you, man. It's good to have you back. I thought maybe you just left us or something crazy. Oh, 3 days a week? Oh, okay, I see. I hear you. Hate to see it, but I'm on a month-long journey to flowing accounts while so close to. Oh man, that is not fun, man. Do you need a Ninja multi-broker license to trade multiple props? No, you do not. No. You just turn it on up here. If you go to your tools, you go to tools and then you go to settings. Right here in settings is multi-provider. Just check, make sure this is checked. You're going to have to restart Ninja and then you can connect multiple Trade-of-8 connections. It does have to be Trade-of-8 though. So you can connect one Rhythmic and then as many Trade-of-8 connections as you want. Or at least I don't think there's a limit. On my work computer, they've blocked me logging into YouTube. I see, Matty Matt. That's unfortunate. Well, hey, I'm glad you're tuning in. I appreciate it. How did you get to this point of patience? Simplistic videos, it's very simple. I can't afford to like trading 44 accounts. I just don't have any desire to start taking random trades. I'm too scared. Quite honestly, I'm too scared. The only way I trade is if I get my setup and then I will trade. I'll trade, but I'll still be scared. I'll trade and you'll see. I'll leave the room. I'll go on a long walk, but it'll be fine. I'll go on a long walk so I don't micromanage my trade. Man, we're just continuing lower. Bleeding lower now. Oh, there she goes. Down, down we go. 860s and lower. Wow. Am I on a big delay? Really? By the way, guys, I don't want to jinx anything, but the internet here in Florida has been awesome. No issues whatsoever with the Florida internet right now. So let's hope that keeps going. But yes, YouTube has a delay. Welcome to civilization. Oh, it's not that bad. All right, making a little bit of a bounce here. This is where we could see a setup. We could get our setup here. But we also this might just keep dumping and not even worry about giving me a setup. Rip. Oh, oh man, today is though. All right, looks like no soup for you. No soup for you. We are not getting a setup today. Not gonna happen. What trade copier? Replicanto. I use Replicanto. Do the Amish have running water? Okay, some of them. There are Swartz and Truber Amish that they do not have running water. But old order Amish, which is where I came from, yes, we had running water. Thankfully. I don't think I would have survived. In AOL series, I have a new indicator that I won't let you DCA your account into oblivion. Ah, I see. That's interesting. Hey, hey, that sounds like potential. Oh, what is this? Sorry, guys. Hang on. Give me a minute. I need connecting all my accounts to QuantGuard. Which, by the way, QuantGuard now has been working flawlessly 4 days in a row. Let's go. I think I'm just going to accept. I'm just going to accept. You had an issue with Quangard today. What was your issue, David? I guess I shouldn't say that maybe because I only test. Like the only feature that I really use is the lockout feature. So I guess maybe there might be some other parts of it that they're still working on. I'm not sure. When is the giveaway happening? We'll do the giveaway here soon. I was kind of hoping or waiting to see if we get an entry here. But it's starting to look and feel like, honestly, today feels like we might get a setup in the afternoon. Like if this market kind of volatility slows down a little bit, feel like we might be able to get a setup in the afternoon. No more Ben and Rose. It's Friday. Hey, it showed a trading loss that wasn't there. Oh, you mean like on your dashboard, David Knight? Oh, you mean, and then it locked out the account. Oh, so you use the daily loss limit? Okay, I see. Did your setup happen at the top where you kind of unsure to take it or not? Yeah, BPCF. So right here was the first really clean setup that I had, but there was news coming out, so I didn't take it. And if there's news coming out, I'm not going to take it. But then right here, this here was a setup, and I chose not to take it. Just because of the volatility that was currently happening. My stop would have had to be, basically, I would have had to have, let me do the math, 50 points. So it would have had to be 200 tick point. My stop loss would have been 200 ticks, which would have been, $400+ total. The stop loss was just kind of crazy. The volatility was kind of crazy, and I decided I'm not going to take it. Which, of course, in hindsight, it would have been a really nice trade, but we would have had to sit through some crazy, choppy, ugly price action to get to our target. So I'm at peace with not taking that trade. I'm okay with it. And I mean, this is just a slow bleed lower, man. Crazy how we're just slow grinding this thing. See, let's see if this gives us a nice dump here down through the or through the 840s. There she goes, 830s. Market's looking to hit the 50 MA on the NDX. That's 24,707. Oh, I wouldn't be shocked. The electric Amish while you're not trading. Oh dear, now you've got me curious. Finally in a trade short ES on the break and retest of the 6690s. Hey, good luck, Black Coffee. Let's go. I thought it was Clyde, please tell me you're lying. Is he? I don't even know if I want to believe it or not, but I'm going to check. Are you serious, Clyde? Are you kidding me? That is insanity. I mean, he is on a different kind of heater, man. That is insane. That's awesome. That is awesome, though. That is unbelievable. Hey, let's go, Captain Crunch. That's almost 2 mil in a week. 2 mil in 1 week. What am I even doing with my life? Here, I'm just trying to get 100,000 in 3 months. Starting to feel kind of stupid, but I'm just kidding. By the way, this is a great time. This is a great time to remind everybody, everyone is on your own journey, and don't be comparing yourself to other traders. Stay in your lane, stay on your journey, focus on where you're at, and don't let some of this deter you from where you're going. Don't do it. It's easy to do that. I struggle with it sometimes, but it's important. It is very important to not do the comparison. Comparison is the thief of joy and contentment. I think I'm off the road. Is it a sin to be jealous of others? I'm not jealous. I'm happy. You know what I want? I want him to make $1 million, and then I want to make 2 million. I'm just kidding. I think it's awesome. I think it's actually insane. It's making prop firm history right now. Just join. Who are we speaking about? Insane. We're speaking about Lanto. Lanto has almost 1.8 million in profits this week alone on a Take Profit Trader Pro Plus account, which is a live account. Matty Matt. He better not drain their bank account for payouts for the rest of us. Oh, there's no worry, RX. It's on a live account. He's literally making Take Profit Trader money. Take Profit Trader is going to take a 10% cut of that and put it in their bank account. So that is what makes it really not. That's awesome. That's what makes it awesome. How is he on a live account and trading 4 accounts? I thought they only let you have 1. No, you can have up to 5. Day 1, Jay, you can have up to 5. Yeah, they will. This is great advertisement for Take Profit Trader, to be honest. But that is how you like, and the reason I like this is if you're going for $1 million plus payouts, and I know, you know, Apex is the only other prop firm that you can get $1 million plus payouts. But the way Take Profit Trader is doing it is the way that I would prefer it be done. Like going forward, doing it on an actual live account, that's the real way to do it. That's what's awesome. All right, market all the way at the 820s. I mean, I'm going to keep waiting here for a little bit. Did you buy Lucid Direct accounts for $460 each? Yes, I did, Max 90. I just, I clenched, I clenched and hit the buy button. That's what I did. Deb, I appreciate you not taking any trades. This is something new traders need to learn how to do. It is hard to do, though. It's like I'm getting. This is, I know I talk about this every day, but this is the other benefit of actually copy trading all my accounts. I know there's people that disagree with it, which is fine, but if I wasn't copy trading all 44 accounts, I would be way more likely to take some random trades because I feel like, you know, hey, what does it matter? It's more of that mindset of, it doesn't matter to take one trade, you know, kind of random. Just one don't matter. So then next thing you know, you're down, drawdown, and I just much rather, I mean, we could have a losing trade anyway, but at least this way, it keeps me a little bit more focused, and it makes me care a little more about how I trade. Because I cannot afford to be A, going on tilt, or B, taking random trades. Just can't do it. It's not even an option. Can't do it. All right, market continuing just to bleed lower. I mean, this is insane. What are we doing here? I mean, I'm about to give up. I can't afford to either, but I do. That one hits hard, man. I hear you, man. Ouch. I'm sorry, Orlando. I know what you mean. I've been there too. Secured a 6K payout with Tick Tick. Let's go, consistent trader. I love to see it. That's awesome. Nvidia is down 5%. Oh, wow. As long as we stay under 842, we should test the 796s. Yeah. Did you say you had a trade set up? David Knight, I technically would have. Yes. This trade right here. We came up, tested the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. My entry would have been the 25, basically the 24,997. So 24,997 would have been my entry. My stop would have had to be like 50 points though. And for those reasons, I didn't take the trade. Obviously it would have worked. We would have had to sit through some pretty painful drawdown. This would have been painful to sit through, but it would have worked out. Obviously, it would have worked. What can you do? We are now almost 200 points lower. But hey, who's watching? What do I use as my entry? Lower the previous bar. Yes, I do. Basically, I wait for a test of the 21 EMA on the 5-minute, which is this, or the 21 minute on the 2-minute, and then basically looking for a rejection bar, and we break down below the previous candle. We do have to be below the EMAs, you know, that specific EMA for the entry, and then that's where my entry is. Long or short, watch this YouTube. The pit Discord. Okay. Went long 814 here, not. Hey, good luck, Apple Crunch. Good luck. And let's see if we go below. Down we go. Look at this dump. Unbelievable. I think I need to walk away because this is, I'm starting to get frustrated. Starting to actually cause me some pain. I just feel like I'm totally missing out on a sick move. These are the days that are hard. Nice black coffee. Let's go. Yes, giveaway first. Thank you, Golf Guy Mike. Thank you. Thank you. He made over 700,000. Unbelievable. That is unbelievable, man. Okay, I got to check. Something is wrong. I mean, that's insane. uh and we are continuing to go lower. I know it's insane. All right. Trading software. I use NinjaTrader. He's still holding 2 with a trailed stop. Okay, I just can't. My brain cannot comprehend. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's awesome. That's just insanity. This is where the money is made. Steve Burns, if you keep promoting, you will be banned. Stop promoting. This is not a promotional channel. You know better. Shameless. Absolutely shameless. You know what? You'll be banned anyway. You did it twice. Trading software. Yeah, I use NinjaTrader, the best prop firm for beginners. I mean, I would say between Lucid Trading, Take Profit Trader, and Tradeify. Between those 3, pick whichever one. I think they're all 3 great for beginners. If you want to keep your cost really, really low with evals, then Apex is a good option. But once you're funded, you have to be aware of a little of more rules. So be careful. But if you can keep your initial costs pretty low that way. But yeah, Tradeify right now, their growth accounts or their advanced accounts probably a little bit less money as well. True. This is one of those days where we are just bleeding lower. It's not even, I don't know, man. I'm sorry, Captain Crunch. I'm sorry, man. Just one day at a time, one day at a time. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I just bought some small calls. Pray for me. Hey, Senator Cover, good luck. Okay, guys. We are entering subscriber only mode. Okay, we are entering subscriber only mode because we are about to do a giveaway for long time subscribers only. Now, if you have to be subscribed for 1 year or longer. So if you can't type in the chat, I'm sorry. If you've been subscribed for 11 months, I'm really sorry. If you've been subscribed for 2 months, I'm sorry. I do appreciate the support. But this is a special giveaway in appreciation for my very, very loyal followers. So just, it's okay. We do a lot of giveaways for everyone. This one is going to be for, actually, hang on. Give me a minute. So the giveaway is going to be for okay, here's the giveaway. Hey, it's good to see everybody that can chat. Okay, it's good to see we still have people here. Dadinator, good to see you, Dadinator. I haven't seen you in a hot minute. Good to see you. I know there's a lot of people that don't even chat, so I appreciate. Oh man, I see a lot of familiar older. Oh, that's awesome. No Momatic Trades, Travis, M. Susan. Let's go. Wait, it's not okay. Now the giveaway starts. Exclamation mark NBT, exclamation mark NBT. And this giveaway is for 2. We can only do 2. So we have 2 accounts where we are going to do a giveaway on, and they are the 50K straight to funded Tradeify accounts. So this is a pretty sweet account to have, straight to funded 50K account from Tradeify. So I saved the best for my favorites. And I'm going to try to give as many people an opportunity to enter as possible. 2 Tradeify 50K straight to funded accounts. Man, I better pay attention here. We might actually get a setup here. Oh, boys. Oh, dears. Look at this daily chart, man. I mean, it makes you wonder, how much lower can we go in one day? We're kind of entering that area where it's like, are we really going to keep going lower? I don't know. I don't know. We will. Oh. I need to pay attention here. Oh man, do I need... I probably need to take this trade. Ay, ay, ay. If we get the entry, I probably need to take it. I'm gonna have to go on a walk, guys. I'll be right back. We're back, boys. What are we doing? What are we doing? Of course, this thing's gonna rip higher when I get... I'm gonna move my stop here. Of course, as soon as I get back, this thing just rips higher. Unreal. At least my first target was hit, so I'm not gonna complain. We're not gonna complain. Can we get a dump? Give me new lows. Come on, market. Can we get new lows, please? Dump it. Dump it. Come on, baby. Keep going. Dump it. Give me new lows right here, right now. Whew. Come on. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Just give me a big ripper. I don't like how it's hesitating, but maybe. Nope, we're not going to do it. Dump it now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dump it. Oh, I'm going to have to go on another walk, guys. I'm going to have to go on another walk. Oh, this is hard on my heart. You know what I need? I need to buy one of those whoop, like the ones that will give you a reading of your heart rate. And we're getting stopped. Come on, market. So frustrating. Ugh. All right. Well, I'm glad I'm out of that trade. So we did the right thing. We did the right thing trailing our stop there. I feel like if we don't make a new low here and this goes back above the 840s, this thing could start to pull, make a move higher. So we're okay with that. Good trade. Good trade. Hey, thank you, Wall Street. How we doing? Good morning, Wall Street. Hey, JMU Trades. Good to see you. That was a dangerous trade. I mean, it felt dangerous. I know it's better than a red day. I know that. Now we got to wait and see. I mean, this still looks bearish, but wow. All right, let me take a screenshot. This is trade number 24. Trade number 24 of 30. Man, that looks very... That looks bearish still. I think we go make new lows now. Look at how hard this is rejecting off of that 820. But it is what it is. It's hard to oh, we still need to do a giveaway. I'm going to resume the entries for those that maybe didn't get a chance. I forgot that we were doing a giveaway, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, the giveaway is back open if some of you did not get a chance to get entered. Right now, we're on a 1-year subscriber only mode for the giveaway specifically. So I'm sorry if you just joined and think I don't usually have 1-year subscriber only mode on. All right, I'm going to man, now I wish I would still be in that short. That rejection looks pretty enticing for the shorts. Wow. Okay. Let's get ready to do the duck race. The long time subs. I wonder if there's some, man, I hope everyone was able to enter. I want to check some things. All right. I think everyone has had a chance. Wow, look at this. Now we're gonna dump. Oh, that makes me so sad. Having second thoughts about trailing my stop now, but it is what it is. It's just, man, trailing your stop is just so brutal. It's brutal, man. Oh, well, it is what it is. Man. All right. All right. I'm going to close the entries. I am closing the entries and we are going to do. Okay. So guys, we can only do 2 account giveaways. Okay. Because I only have 2 of the straight to funded accounts from Tradeify. Again, we're giving away 2 50K straight to funded accounts. So I will actually, you know what I'll do? I will do this. To the person in 3rd place, I will do a $200. I will just give away $200 to PayPal. So hopefully you have PayPal. So whoever comes in 3rd place, I'll do 200. And 1st place, 2nd place, each get a 50K straight to funded account from Tradeify. And then 3rd place will get a $200 PayPal to your account. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. We're going to pick 15 names. This should be fun. This should be a lot of fun. All right, hang on. Let me make sure I'm ready. The names, gotta get the names ready. Okay, we are ready. Here we go. And the first name is gonna be, whoops, I pressed the wrong button. Sorry. Okay, now we're ready. The first name will be David Knight. Let's go, David Knight. Here we go. Good luck, David Knight. David Knight with the first entry. Here we go. The second name is Frayed 8. Frayed, I'm just going to call you Frayed. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. But thanks for the support. Good luck to you. All right, here we go. Now the next name, Grant Thompson Trades. Grant Thompson Trades. Let's go. All right, here we go. Next name, Moed. I'm Moed Ill. Some of these names hard to I know these are probably not your display names, but I can't help it. All right, here we go. Next name, Colinero 44. Colinero 44, congrats and good luck. Here we go. The next name is going to be Sugars. Sugars 5150. Good luck. Next name, Matthew. Matthew 3664. Good luck to you, sir. And we've got Gary Pete 2585. Next name is Micro Player 10mm Micro Player. Good luck to you. Let's go. Next name, Trusty Trand. Trusty Trand. Good luck to you. All right, we got to remove 5 names. Don't worry, we are still gonna be in the race. All right, next name is gonna be Eagle Eye. Eagle Eye. Good luck. Here we go. Next name, Travis. Travis 378. Good luck to you. Here we go. Next name, Anna Zubku. Anna Zubku 5825. Just gonna call you Anna. All right, here we go. We got 2 names remaining, fellas. Here we go. Next name, Lou. Lou from Lou VT. Lou VT. Good luck to you. All right, here we go. This is the final name, fellas. This is the final name. All right, good luck, everybody. And it is Nick Kesselring. Nick Kesselring. All right, everybody, congratulations and good luck. Everybody that is in the duck race. All right, now it is time. Oh, wow, we're getting a bounce. I want to see this market rip up, and it'll just make me feel better. There's also a chance I get an entry here, but we're probably not going to take it. All right, here we go. Who are these people? Best Guess Trading. They are longtime viewers, but they don't chat much, and it's fine. We appreciate everybody here. All right, here we go. This is, hang on, let me switch where I am at. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. 2 minutes, 2-minute race. And here we go. All 15 ducks will shuffle one time. Here we go. Are we ready? Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. K-Trades, you're funny. All right, here we go. Oh, let me unmute the sound. Here we go. Okay. And they are off. Here we go, fellas. This is for a straight to funded Tradeify account, 50K size. And Frayed is immediately in the lead. Moed now eases out in front. We've got Micro Player at the top of your screen. We've got Grant Thompson Trades in the Strawberry Duck. And we have David Knight, the #1 duck, and now pulling up into third place. Micro Player contesting for the lead. Here's Moed. Moed has a very slight lead at the moment. Micro Player now trying to make a move. Here comes Nick Kesselring. Nick Kesselring at the bottom of your screen making a move. He's half a length of lead. Here comes Eagle Eye. Eagle Eye now making a move for first with a minute to go. Micro Player maintains second. Eagle Eye neck and neck with Nick. And now he takes the lead. Oh, and now Nick retakes the lead. Nick Kesselring in first place, followed by Micro Player. Here comes Trusty Trand in third. Frayed now in fourth place. Bringing up the rear, we've got Travis, we've got Sugars, and Grant Thompson Trades in the middle of the pack, and he's waiting. David Knight now falling back in the middle of the pack. He might be reserving his energy. And we are down to 20 seconds to go. Here comes Travis. Travis 378 making a move. Here comes Lou. Lou VT now making a move. And Trusty Trand. Oh, here comes, who is this? Frayed. Frayed from the back of the pack. Oh, here comes David Knight. David Knight puts on the steam. And there you go. David Knight came out of nowhere. David Knight was waiting and waiting for his opportunity. And with 5 seconds to go, he shot out of a cannon. That was crazy rip at the end. Very nicely done, David Knight. Let's go. And he takes home first place. All right, now for the all-important top 3. Man, I almost lost my voice on that one. Whew. Okay, here we go. Top 3. And drum roll, coming in at number 3 is Frayed T8. Fraydette 8. Coming in at number 3, you will receive $200 from yours truly. And then coming in second place is Micro Player. Micro Player coming in second place, and in first place, as we saw, David Knight. Congratulations, everybody, and thanks for playing. Let's see. Matthew. Oh, man. Matthew, you were so close. You were so close to third place, Matthew. Travis 378 in sixth place. Nick Kesselring. Poor the Strawberry Duck. I'm sorry, Grant Thompson Trades. It looks like Grant Thompson Trades brought up the rear. I'm not sure what happened. Might have to do further investigation. Obviously, this has been all audited, third-party verified, and they're everything on the up and up. All right, everybody. Appreciate it. Thanks for playing. And back to our chart. Oh, wow. I think we would have had a setup here at the 786s. Barely, but I think we would have. All right. I am going to take off the sub-only mode. All right, everybody. Get back in here. You can chat now. Everybody can chat again. Sorry for putting you guys in jail. Okay. Now let me, most of you guys probably know my email, but I'll put it in chat too. I was today years old when I learned I subbed your account on 11/27 of 24. No way, Tanush. No way. So you're, oh, I feel bad, Tanush. You did, I'm sorry. I did not know that, but That's unfortunate. Okay, there is my email. Again, this is what is required of you to do. Trade T8 in third place. Please send me an email. And in that email, include a screenshot of your YouTube channel and also include your PayPal email. If you don't have PayPal, just send me what and how you want to be paid. I'll send you $200. Second place and first place, send me an email, screenshot your YouTube channel name, and I will send you a code for a free Tradeify account, 50K straight to funded account. So, all right, let's go. That was awesome. That was fun. That was fun, man. I know, Scalpulaire. Lanto did it again. I know. I can't handle it. I cannot handle it. It's insane. That has to go down in history as the craziest week of trading ever. That is insane. That is actually insane. All right, I am testing something here. Now, my duck tried really hard. Is there a participation prize? I'm sorry. Lanto made 1.8 million in 3 days. It is mind-blowing. And then imagine this scenario where some people say, oh, it's prop firms are not worth it. Like, what? I feel bad, Tanush. You did. Obviously, that is the minority. That is like, I did not know that, but that is actually insane. That's unfortunate. That has to go down as in the record books as the craziest week. There is my craziest 3 days of trading ever. Can you guys imagine being Lanto? You just made 1.8 million. That guy's never going to take profit again unless it's 6 figures, ever. I mean, can you imagine taking a trade and you're up 20 grand and you're like, yeah, I ain't taking that profit. He's ruined. His brain is literally ruined from here on out. He is not going to be, wait, do I have an echo? And I will send you a code for a free Tradeify account, 50K straight to funded account. So, all right, let's go. That was awesome. That was fun. I'm sorry. It should be good now. Should be good. I think we're back. All right. I'll try not to do that ever again. No promises, though. I'm not muted. But can you imagine Lanto now? He takes a trade and he's up 20 grand. He's like, I ain't going to take, like, that's pocket change. His trader brain is ruined from now on. Oh, man. That is just actually crazy to even fathom. It's crazy. Crazy awesome. Crazy awesome, man. But hey, just don't forget, guys, now is a great time to be reminded. Focus on your own journey. Don't compare yourself to others and then all of a sudden scale big size. Remember, this didn't happen for Lanto overnight. Lanto has been trading for how many years and struggling. He struggled in the beginning just like everybody else. This took years and years, and it didn't just happen overnight. It like be aware of that. Don't try to compare yourself and up your size, it's not that's what will ruin you. I know, I know. I was doing a giveaway. I didn't get the setup. I should have probably taken this. I guess I wasn't paying attention. Unbelievable. It's unfortunate, man. But it is what it is. Now that you mention it, it's hard. Do I still provide the monthly earnings from Apex? You know, funny you mention Eric J. I literally am recording that video tonight. Tonight, the top 10 Apex video for August, September, and October is going live tonight. So it is happening. The trend is your friend today, for sure. And probably should have taken this trade, and I feel terrible. That is unfortunate. How much does Tape Profit Trader cost? I mean, it depends which size account, but like $216 on 150K. Hey, I'm Lanto. I just started trading last week. Don't do it. Yes, and then I'll do, once the 30 trade challenge is over, once I have 30 trades, then I'll do the video for the 30 trades, M. Susan. Yes. Yeah, he has made a $500,000 plus in 3 days in a row. In a row. If I'm the SEC, I'm almost like, okay, we need to do a full audit. I mean, the guy's turning into Nancy Pelosi. And all the way down to the 720s. Unbelievable. That's insane, man. What a sell-off. What a sell-off we're having. Unbelievable. I mean, we have some support here at the 640s. Oh, that is crazy. That is crazy. How big a size do you guys trade on the 50K? I mean, yeah, I do 4 micros. Can't wait for Monday when things go back 500 points. True, true. That is true. Really, max 90? That's crazy. I want to check something. All right, market. Man. Oh, anyway, hang on. I need to journal my trade here. Give me a minute. Trade number 24. I'm trying to, like, how could I have played that trade differently? I mean, I don't know. Obviously, hindsight is weird to look at. At the time, I was happy with the trade, so I'm not sure it's fair to hindsight. But if we're being honest, and I'm looking at this now, like see this wick right here? I know I moved my stop like to here. Feel like, I don't know. I hate doing this. I hate being hindsight. At the moment, I thought it was a good trailing stop. But again, it just proves again, it wasn't. If I just keep my stop, if I keep my target and my original stop, that trade is a full winner again. You came back from your walk. Exactly, John. That's my point. That is my point. If I literally don't trail the stop, would have hit full target both times, would have had a full target. And unfortunately, that's not what happened. I don't know. I got to be okay with it, though, I guess. That's my biggest issue. That second target is my biggest pain point. Okay, let me download this. Wow, and there she goes. Just down, down, down we go. A lot of crazy sell-off today. Whew. Man. Someone come stop me from taking a trade. Don't do it, Matty Matt. You need to be happy with what Mrs. Mark gave you. And remember, no one ever went broke taking a profit. Yeah, I know. It's very true, Mr. Wall Street. Very true. What I struggle with isn't so much. Okay, the reason I struggle is I'm not consistent with that second target. That's what I need to fix. Like, for example, yesterday I didn't trail my stop and I just left everything. But then today I trailed my stop. Well, I just feel like I'm not consistent with that second target. And I want to get it figured out to where either I trail every time and I trail like with actually some method, like not just kind of right now. I feel like maybe one thing I'm looking at is trailing it on the 21 EMA. Like basically just trailing it lower with the 21 EMA, and either we hit my target or we get stopped out on the trail. But I need some kind of better system on how I'm trailing my stop loss. And that's what I need to figure out. Right now, I just feel like it's a little bit random. And then when it's random, then it's, I don't know, feel like it could be better. It's that catch-22 of protecting your profits, but also allowing enough room for your trade to work. What trading panel do I use? Lithox. So this is showing all of my accounts is the affordable indicators indicator, the account dashboard from affordable indicators, and it's a plugin for NinjaTrader. You trail with the 31 EMA or every 2-minute candle. Yeah, that's kind of what I mean. Like I could do. I just don't know sometimes. I don't know. I struggle with that. I go back and forth. But what I am going to do, I'm going to wait until at the end of this 30-day 30 trade challenge. I am going to go back and I'm going to calculate my profit and loss difference if I would just once I take a trade, I do not move my stop loss, period. And either we hit both targets or we hit one and then I get stopped out. But I'm going to calculate my P&L if I don't move my stop loss at all. And I'm going to see what the results are. Something tells me I would be better off once I place my stop, I don't move it. I don't trail it. We either hit my targets or not. So that's the research and data I need. I know it's going to be hard though, man. I am going to struggle. We're going to go on a lot of walks, guys. I'm going to have to start I need to use you need to use my phone. And when I go on a walk, I'll switch over to my live stream on my phone and you guys can go on a walk with me. So we're going to go on a lot of walks if that is what we do, because that does make me like this trade, for example, finally getting my target hit. And then we just start to rip higher. I mean, at the moment, I thought this was going to rip up and it's going to start going back higher. I really did. So I thought the trailing stop was good, but then we just ripped lower, and obviously, that's not the case. But I don't know. It's hard to do because you want to. I don't think it's healthy to do the hindsight. You can't do hindsight. I need a system, and then I follow that system every day, every time. Hey, Red Poker. I'm sorry. We did the giveaway already. I'm sorry, man. Oh, man. You hate to see it. Giveaways are scams. Have I ever tried Legends? No, I have not. And now we're starting to. Okay, see. Geez, am I going to take a setup here? We're entering the territory. I mean, I feel like this is legitimately. I don't think this is a stretch. When I say this, like, we're entering the territory of, okay, how much lower will this market really go? Like, is it realistic to think we're going to drop 1,000 points today? Like, what's gold doing, by the way? Oh, my word. What happened to gold? Jeez. Jeez, Louise. Look at that. Anybody catch that gold? Okay, I'm not allowed to look at gold anymore. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, NQ. I made a commitment to NQ. NQ reminded me, it's like, yeah, you cheated on me with gold. See, and that's what happened to you. So I made a commitment. I'm not going to look at gold again. No more. No more. You did, Black Coffee? Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, gold is a wild time. We thought NQ was wild. Yeah, gold is on a whole different level. Oh, on the Tradify Cub account? Let's go, Black Coffee. I like to hear it. I love to hear it. All right. Dun, 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 dun. I love it. Hey, we're getting a little bit of a ripper here to the upside. Hang on, guys. I'm doing the giveaway. I'm doing the giveaways right now. Give me a minute. Oh, my stars. I just realized something. I am such an idiot sometimes. Look at this one go. She's a ripper. 800's being tested. Sorry, guys. I'm just getting people there. I'm doing the giveaways, right? I'm doing the giveaway or completing it. Okay, all of you that got the giveaway, you should have it. Wow, look at this rip. Man. What a ripper. You knew this was going to happen at some point. Look at this thing rip. She's a ripper. I assume Lanto went long at the 720s. I expect nothing less. Hey, Diego. Good to see you, Diego. As an influencer, it's hard for you to get denied. Why don't you just stack all accounts available? Imagine $200 over 100 accounts. I mean, I kind of, what else? What other I don't want more than what I have. I think 44 is enough. I think it's enough. At least it's enough for me. But not really true about being denied. I've gotten denied. I've got denied 3 different times with Apex. And it was because I broke the rules. If you break the rules, you get denied. It's just that simple. They don't care if you're an influencer. Only people like maybe like Patrick, he can probably get away with that. I don't know. But I just play by the same rules as everybody else. All right. Emmett Timms. I'm just salty because I'm banned. I'd be salty too, Emmett Timms. Now, that I feel like that is definitely where I do have an advantage. I definitely think it's not as likely that I'll get banned, but I mean, I'm kind of banned on Tradeify. I mean, I'm basically can't trade on I mean, I can still trade on Tradeify, but if I get a payout, my payout won't go to my bank account. The payout will just go into a live account. And I don't know, I'm actually thinking about it. Like, I'm thinking about it. Maybe I just try to, I don't know. I don't know. I'm thinking about adding it, trying to get another Tradeify live account. I'm still salty. I'm still salty about losing. I lost two Tradeify live accounts. I'm still salty about it. It's my own fault too. One was 17,000 and the other one was 7,500. And quite honestly, kind of embarrassing. But it is what it is. I'm just going to start doing 2M in Q. I mean, in this market with this kind of volatility, yes. Emmett Timms, no argument from me, but I have literally, I mean, I can't show you some of the conversations that I've had with them, but I have literally given them side-by-side comparisons of people cycling accounts and versus people and the information that I got from you guys that are banned that are not doing it. And I'm trying to get an explanation. Explain this to me. Like, this don't make no sense. But here we are. They said they said they continue to look at it, and every email that gets sent to compliance at Apex Trader Funding and it requested for an unban, they look at it. They told me that they unban people every day. I don't know. That's what I'm told. Just passing on the information. But right now, I can't really. I was not much help. I was not much help, unfortunately. Unfortunately, they did not really care what I said, to just be quite honest. It's unfortunate, but it's true. They said, Nutty, you are a nobody. You do not matter. Go sit down. Remember your place. And I said, yes, sir. Wow, God. Look at this rip, man. She's a ripper. Hey, Dad Nader, you had a real bad day. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Just like we all have had when those accounts were blown, but his was recorded. Hey, I hear you, man. Bent Capital, 6 months on the ban list tells me otherwise. I know. What I hear you loud and clear. I have no argument. Can I get banned for asking about giveaways for new subscribers? No, you cannot. Don't be like that other douchebag that came in here plugging a Discord channel, though. That'll get you banned so fast your head will spin. You won't even know what hit you. I know what you're saying, Dad Nader. I hear you, man. It's not fun, man. It's not fun when it happens without anybody knowing, and it's a lot less fun when you then basically make it public to the internet. It's actually embarrassing. I have people watching me, friends, family, people I go to church with, and they look at me like when I blow all those accounts, they are like, what in the world is wrong with this person? Why would you do that? I'm like, cheers. Yes, you can still trade any active PAs you have. Yes. And you can still get payouts. It's just you can't buy new evals. How do you get banned? I have no idea. AYC, thanks for subbing. I appreciate it. Can I win some free therapy in the duck race? I know what. You know, there's actually, you know what? I should actually look into this. Hang on 1 second. Oh man. Setup? No setup. We are above, we have officially closed above this 21 EMA on the 5-minute. And these EMAs have started to cross. This is not a short setup anymore. Technically, we would almost need to, really don't see us getting another setup. We would almost have to make new lows before, or we'd have to get above the VWAP here and then get a pullback. I mean, I can already kind of tell getting a setup from here is going to be very difficult. And it's 12:30. I'm about ready to call it a day. Feel like we definitely left some money on the table today, but overall still feel like I didn't do anything terrible. I didn't do anything wrong. This one trade I didn't take. By the way, never mind. I don't know why I keep saying we, but I just can't help it. I just always do it. I know it bothers some people, but I try to remember to say I, but I forget. What was that? But this setup here I did not take was just, I mean, I decided to not take it, and I gotta be okay. I'm honestly okay with not taking this setup. The one I'm kind of having second thoughts on is how I trailed this stop loss. That's the one that kind of bothers me a little bit, but hey, what you gonna do? You have 44 accounts. You're entitled to say we. Denosh. Feel like if I say we, then we share in the. I will say this: if we do get it to a payout, if we make it to a payout on all of these accounts, there will definitely be some giveaways. It's going to be epic. We are going to have a party. We are going to have a party. One day at a time, though. We can't be thinking about payouts. That's for sure. We got to take one day at a time. One day at a time. What is the software to list all the accounts? It is the Affordable Indicators account dashboard. All right, guys, I'm going to call it here. It looks like this market is kind of reversing and heading higher. I don't think I'm going to get another setup. Maybe, but I doubt it. And it's Friday, and I can hear my wife laboring in pain as she is assembling stuff. She's trying to assemble furniture, and I think she could use my help. So I should probably be a good husband and go help her assemble furniture for the 50th time this week. I feel like we've assembled at least 100 pieces of furniture this week. Can you ask for a favor? Yes, Tanush, you definitely can. Yes. What do you need? It's we when we blow all accounts, but when payout is reached, it's definitely I. I just got Quant Guard and don't really know how to use it. Okay, Tanush, so if you just got, yes, I can do that real quick. Are you serious? I was muted that whole time? Okay, who muted me? I didn't mute. That was not me. Okay, back to it. Okay, fine. Okay, here's Quant. We'll start over. This is the dashboard, but it's not, I don't think this is accurate yet. Miles is still working on this, but it's better than it was. But basically, connections, you connect your accounts here, Rhythmic or Tradeovate, yada, yada. And then once you connect, then you go to your accounts. Here it shows all your different accounts. And then you can enable, you have to enable monitoring. Here is where you can configure, turn this on, turn on your data loss limit, turn on your daily profit target if you want. I don't do that. I only use this to lock out myself once I'm done trading for the day. So I go here and checkbox all, and I lock trading. That's how I use Quant Guard. So to each their own, but obviously you can configure a lot of things here. Position size. I think there are still some bugs using the loss limit. I don't know because I don't test that out. I only test out the lock trading. And I do know that that works. So I don't know. That's like a quick rundown of it. Hopefully it helps. Once Quant Guard has been working flawlessly for like 2 weeks plus, then I will do a specific video and how everything works. Until then, there's been a lot of bugs, Tanush. So be aware of that. Make sure you join the Quant Guard Discord, and just look at it like it is a tool that is still in development. It's in development in beta, and there can be bugs. There have been a lot of bugs recently. Now, the last 4 days have been pretty good. Knock on wood. but just be aware, I guess. You got to be patient. Okay, everybody. I'm going to call it here. Take care. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Stay safe. And we will be back on Monday. It was a great week of trading. Great first week of trading in Florida, to be honest. And yeah, it's great. So it must have been a bug with the daily loss limit. It locked me out without hitting it. Okay, yeah, it could be. Again, the best way, if you have bugs, join the Discord, join the QuantGuard Discord, and report it to Miles, and he will look into it. So, all right, everybody, take care, and hit the like button on your way out, and God bless.